Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you so much for joining the family. In today's video, we'll be trying on a new wig from Luvme here, and I'm just going to go ahead and unbox now, and when we're done with that, we'll head right back into the wig.
No, little by little here, I'm always pushing things too far.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have going on straight out of the pack. The wig comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And we also have the extra elastic band, and this one already comes pre-plucked. It comes already parted as a middle part, and the hairline is looking great as well. Every information that you need about it is going to be written in my description box. So I'm just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart. No, little by little here, I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No, little by little here, 'cause I give my all. Oh, no, little by little, I pour out my heart. No, little by little here, I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No, little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No, little by little here, 'cause I give my all. Oh, no, little by little, I pour out my heart. No, little by little here, I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. Let me be all I can be. My all, all. I pour out my heart. Oh boy, I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, walk that fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly right to the sky. Let me be all I can be. I'll be free. Let me be all I can be. Never ever walk that road again where self-destruction rules me.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and I absolutely love this one. I think the color is gorgeous, and can we get into the lace? The lace is melted in really nice as well, and this is Glueless, you guys. As you guys already know, Luvme here has been serving us back to back with some nice and really good Glueless units, and this one is no exception. I love it, the color, everything that is doing for me today. Love it. And styling with this one was minimal as well. I didn't have to do too much, although I went in with my curling iron just to curl the front a little bit because I was feeling a bit extra today. But I honestly feel like you can wear this one straight out of the pack because the curls already came with it. But as I said, I was feeling a bit extra and I went ahead to curl it, although I'm not going to recommend that you use that small curling iron that I showed you guys. I went ahead to use a bigger one because after using that one, I wasn't really feeling the curls in front, so I went ahead to use a bigger curling iron, but I didn't show you guys that. So this is the one that I ended up using. So I'd recommend that you go for something bigger. And in case your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head and you're wondering if this one is going to work for you, I definitely think it worked for you because it feels really comfortable and nice on my head, and I do have wiggle room in there as well. And for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any form of tangling with this one. Shedding was super minimal, just a couple of strands came off and definitely nothing to worry about. So yeah you guys, I think we've pretty much covered everything. Love this one. I think it's beginner friendly. You're going to love it if you're a beginner, since all the work has already been done for you. It came curled, all of that good stuff, so you don't have to worry about, you know, too much styling and all of that. So that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. I'm going to have direct links, every information that you need about this one written in my description box. Do not forget to give a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.